everybody, good morning all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, my name is Anas and I'm going to share with you about tenses. If you will learn tenses, if you will learn tenses, after that you will know a lot of grammar because when you will have learned tenses, so you can learn you can learn a lot of English words because when you will be when you will be telling about yourself anyone, you can tell about ourselves easily because tenses it is very important thing. Yeah, if you will learn tenses, you will know a lot of grammar. Yeah. and and you have to make schedule. How some people says to me, how can I learn tenses? You can learn anything easily. You have to focus only your work. You should not focus anyone. You should focus only yourself. If you will focus only yourself, after that you will improve. After that you will improve a lot because when you will work with consistency. And I was saying that you will learn tenses. After that your English will improve quickly because tenses it is very important thing. Without learn tenses you cannot speak English. Yeah, tenses it is very important thing. If you will practice if you practice tenses a lot, if you practice tenses a lot every day, you will improve your English quickly because when you will speak present tense, when you will speak past tense, when you will speak future tense, so you will improve your English quickly. Yeah, you will improve your English quickly. After that you have to write tense. You have to write about tenses because which things will you write, so this thing will save in your mind. Which thing will save in your mind, so you will remember easily. Yeah. After that you can read a lot like paragraph. You can read a lot articles because when you will read a lot articles, so your vocabulary will grow. Yeah, if you want to grow your vocabulary, so you have to read a lot. If you want to grow your vocabulary, you have to read a lot because when you read a lot, so your mouth will be open. After that you speak front of all people with confidence. After that suppose you went somewhere. After that any person is talking only English, so after that you will shy front of all people. How can I speak front of all people? No, you should not shy front of all people. You have to speak front of all people. You can speak, we can say you can speak which you learn. you can speak which you learn, but you should not stop front of all people, because when you will speak front of all people, because when you will speak front of all people broken English, so your doesn't matter, your English will improve, your English will improve, your English will improve. Which work which work which work will you do every day, which work will you do every day? So your English will improve quickly. Yeah, but what what you do what you do uh, what you do I read, I read one day, but but tomorrow I will not read. No, you have to read with consistency, because when you will read with consistency, your English will improve automatically. Yeah, you did not read about any people, you did not read about any people, uh, people how people can how people can improve on English. people people read a lot of newspaper, we can say. People will people read a lot of articles. Yeah, you can read some articles. If you want to open your mouth, if you want to open your mouth, you can read some articles, because when you read again and again, so your mouth will open again, and your mouth will open automatically. So how much will you speak, how much will you speak, you will get a lot of benefits, because because how much will you hard work, how much will you hard work, so it is very important for you. After that I am going to share after that I am going to share with you other things. You have seen many times some people speak with confidence. How can some people speak confident? Because he practiced a lot English. Without practice you cannot learn anything, because practice, it is very important thing. Yeah, suppose which work are you doing, but you are not focusing this work, you cannot learn this work. After that you have to focus only your work. If you will do focus your work, so you will learn easily anything, so you have to understood these things, because everything is easy in this world. Yeah, you have to focus only yourself. You should not see what people are doing in this time. No, you should think only yourself, because what I want to do right now. Yeah, I have completed my routine or not. You have to think only yourself. Can I improve my English? Can I improve my English quickly or not? You can improve your English quickly. Yeah, but you are not practicing. You can practice English, and after that you will speak after that you will speak slowly, and after that you will speak slowly. If you will speak English again and again, you will speak fast. You will speak fast. Yeah. Any people, any people, any people do not learn English easily. Yeah. He listened. He he listened. He listened a lot, because without listen you cannot consume a lot. You have to listen. Because I want to share with you one thing. When you will listen English a lot, so your ear will open. Your ear will open. After that, after that after that when you will talk any people, so when he was talking to you, so you will learn English easily. You will learn English easily. Yeah. So you have to understand these things. Doesn't matter. You cannot give up. Yeah. Some people give up. Some troubles comes, and some people says to me, I cannot do it this work. Brother, you cannot. You can everything. Yeah. You have to believe only yourself. Yeah. You have to believe only yourself. Yeah. You work slowly, but you should not stop. If you will stop in this world, anybody, I have said many times these things. Anybody will not help you in this world. Yeah. You can help one person. Help only you, only yourself. So you have to understood these things. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for watch my video. Take care. Bye bye. I will meet you next video. Take care.